Welcome. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we're going to be doing assembly of the parts of 1-36, the Feedwater Heater. Let's get assembling. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we're going to be assembling the parts of 136A to H for the Feedwater Heater. So let's go File, New, Assembly, MMGS. And we're going to bring the first piece. 136 went too far. That one, that's what we want. Rebuild. There we go. It's already assembled. I could have brought that in assembled already, but we already got this assembled, so I might have to do this one. So, okay, so now we want, we'll bring 136 first. 136C and D. Interesting. I'll put that one sideways, is it? Okay, so now we want to mate outside ring there to inside circle there. Bring that up a bit so see. We want that lip there, that lip there to that lip there. That should be done. Beautiful. Now we want this top. This top, thank you. That bottom. Now this hole to that hole. Not quite lined up yet, no worries. This hole to this hole, and that should line up perfectly. Okay, that's the top part done. Now that we got to go out of that, let's save this. This is going to be build. Save all, thank you. We've done that, but it does. So SA-109. This stands for assembly. Not too sure what it stands for, but that's what's in the diagram. That's what I'll go with. Okay, so we want to bring in 136A, 136F, H and G. That shows these not hooked up to anything, so that one there, that one there, that one there, that one there. Okay, so now this big one's going to go there, the one's going to go there. We probably should have put thread in there, but that's fine. Fine. Okay, so we want mate this top section of the octagon, hex 6 hexagon will go there in a circle to in a circle there. Thank you. We were there for a minute. Missed clicking it, so that one's good. Excellent. So that flat surface of the cylinder there, the flat surface of the hexagon there. Circle there. Make sure you grab the whole circle, not the thread. Otherwise it can pull off bits. So that one there, beautiful. That's good. Now, from that, we'll go to the bottom of that one. Grab the cylinder there, your outside cylinder. Now this should still, let me just highlight that. Yes, the axis still spin around, which is fine. So, I wonder if we can. Oh, it probably lines up with that hole. That's a good point. So, oop. Okay, now it's not spinning. There we go. I just want to poke it outside so I can see it. Okay, so this, let's save, rebuild, go back to mate. This flat surface there will hook up with, that one there. Oh, hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Delete. I clicked on something wrong there. That surface is there. That surface, that's better. I hit a key and change something, so. Okay, so that's the circumference, like the circumference of the circle there to inner one. That's actually. Oh, it actually goes to that one. Had to go out that hole, so. Okay. So if I do, let me just. Oh yeah, I was looking at it wrong. I apologise. That circle there, do that circle there. It's not going to do it, is it? Oh. Ah, hold on. Mate, that does help. Okay, so there. But that is wrong. It shows it. Okay, it shows it pointing out. Okay, let me delete that last mate. I don't think that's correct. Doesn't really show where it's actually going to. But let's just rotate this around because on the diagram it's got a big one away from that hole. Let's just leave that one there. Hold on. Ooh, okay. Okay, let me. Where's that one? Let me delete that one. Delete that one. I can bring that down. Let me go to top view or bottom view. Actually, where's that one to? Let me delete that one as well. Just move that away. So this here has to go this side because the diagram it's to the other one. Let me just check something. Oh, that doesn't show it again. Okay, we always come back just this late. That's the beauty of it. So, okay, so let me mate that one with that one. That way, now I can turn it around. Oh, I still got level on that. That's fine. Let me have a look at the. Oh, that's not what. Sorry. Oh, the other side. That's about right. Let's now mate that one. That one. Actually, I did that one, didn't I? I did too. So, yeah. Why is that not lining up though? Hold on. I've done that one. Why is that not lining up? What did that line up with? Hold on. I didn't. What's going on here? That one's there. That one, that one, that one, that one. Yeah, that's correct. I think something on that one I did wrong. Let me just take that one out. Let's try this again. Mate, cylinder there. Thank you. To cylinder there. There we go, that's better. That flat surface. Actually, doesn't look right either. Oh, that's right, it's got a lip. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now, yeah, that one. Before going further, I'll delete that one. I don't want this one connected to that anyway. That's there. If I put another one. Oh, that one, thank you. Bring that down, thank you. So if I want made up, click that and that goes in the stand up, beautiful. If I click on that one, and I should have really been going inside this thing. Yep, I lost myself. I'm losing myself. Just stop that one for a minute. Where are we? Oh, what just had a minute ago. There we go. Let me just hide that one for the moment. There we go. Was after. Let me mate that cylinder there, the flat surface there, with that one. Pretty circular there, isn't it? Interesting. Oh, hold on. Circular to circular. There we go. Now let me just pop that off. You rotate that around. Yeah, it's not. The helix is not working properly to center it. Where's that one? Oh, that wasn't it. Oh, hold on. Clear. Oh, that's so weird. Clear. Oh, no, cancel. breaks other mates. Okay, let me just cancel that one. Okay, let me. Let me just. Where's that one there? No, nothing. Hold on. Let me delete that one. Let me delete that one. There we go. And what if, let's just say that motor rebuild, thank you, made, if we save them first, made that cylinder will circle to that one. What does that do? Absolutely nothing. Put back over there. Oh, I've connected something. Hold on. Still connected something. That one. Let me delete that one. Try and get this away. There we go. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, normal 2. Oh, I see. It won't go then because it's... Aha. Yeah, because technically it's not in the center, it's off to one side. Oh, hold on. Let me double check something. Oh, I think I made a mistake. Eli. Right, goes down. Oh, this comes out a bit. That wiggles out a bit. I don't know how much though. So that's not straight. That's not straight down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to get as center as possible. Which is not easy. Yeah, it's not going to get any more than that. Okay, so we've got, yeah, that part there is very unknown. Very unknown. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll ignore that for now. Just for now, I'm not happy on that, but ignore it for now, otherwise it's going to take forever. So we'll mate that one with that one in a cylinder, thank you, with our cylinder there. I'm not going to spin that around because it's going to move that off there. It's done, but I need to bring that one piece back I've got hidden. That one there. Wonder how I knew which one it was. Actually, wrong one. Anyway, had white there, so that is that piece done. Let me just go back down. Yeah, because I've got 136 is shown there, but it's not showing being added to 136E, sorry. Ah, I clicked on that. I'm wondering where that goes into that spot. Let me just put it in there, connect it for now. So let me grab that cylinder there, beautiful. And that circle there. Worked out good. Got the see, yeah, that's not right because delete that one. Undo, undo, undo. Come on. Make it. Oh, yeah, I was really too far. Yeah, because I didn't get to circle I got the thread. So that's what happens if you hit the thread. Well, that happens, just so you can see what happens. Okay, so what I can do is that cylinder or circle edge to that one there. Oh, made. That helps. Do that one there. There we go. What the heck? Okay, let me hide that part again. That one. Nope. That one. Nope. Too much. That one. Hide that one. Let me go mate. That one there. That one there. That's it. That corrects it, kind of. Puts in the wall, which you don't want. Okay. Yeah, it's poking through. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, that's not working. That's not working. Let me just delete that piece. Yep. And bring back that piece. So I'm not happy with that. But hey, if you've got any ideas what I did wrong there, can you let me know? And that way I can teach others. So that's the idea of this. I learn from you, you learn from me, or you learn from me, and you know that's we work as a team. So, oh boy, getting complicated, but fun. Not that one. Oh, there we go. So yep. So we'll leave that there for now. Yeah, I've got to work out that area, that loop down. That something's not right there. So. Enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you learned some stuff, click the like button. Or if you help me out, click the like button. It does help me out. If you want to see more, do subscribe. And thank you again for everyone subscribed. If you want, leave comments below. Most welcome. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.